This tutorial will cover how to use markers in the Ruby Prepare screen. Markers are a convenient tool used for determining multiple exact locations using the red dot pointer inside the laser machine. Place a product in the laser machine, then move the laser head over the product and focus. Noting where the red laser pointer shows under the laser focus head, use the arrow keys on the laser's keyboard to visually move the focus head and the red dot pointer to the desired location. Ensure the file is saved, or the markers will not work. Once the location is determined, select the F8 button on the computer's keyboard. This will apply a visual marker on the Prepare screen. Then move the red pointer to the next location and again select the F8 key for a second marker. Repeat this process as many times as needed to determine any required locations on the field. Markers can also be selected with the computer mouse, turning them red, and at that point they can be deleted by selecting the computer delete button. Once all markers are determined, these markers will act as anchor points, allowing designs and drawings to snap to them. For this example, I will select the box tool, turn on snapping, and draw a box, snapping to the 4 markers I just created. Once done, open or specify the design and size and scale it to fit. Then snap that design into the newly created marker-based location box in this example. Once positioned, select the material, in this example pine wood, then turn off the red cut setting so it will not be cut, as this example box only needs to be used for a location reference in this case. Push the file to the laser, then push start on the laser to process the job. Markers are an extremely accurate way to determine the orientation of a product, and they can even be more accurate than the overhead camera. Markers can be used anytime within the Prepare screen and as many as needed to complete the job accurately. Once the engraving is complete, as you can see, it produces a perfectly accurate engraving utilizing this technique.